Greetings, folks. William C. Rogers back at you with another video. And lately we've been talking about affiliate marketing, exactly what it is, and how we can use it to earn some extra income. It's simply a way of promoting products that you yourself don't need to make or stock or create. It's promoting other already successful products, and you simply get paid a commission of the sale if you get any sales at all from your promotions. But what's rarely talked about is exactly how you promote those affiliate products. So let's discuss that. Surely by now you've heard of one main way that a lot of people talk about online, and that's through social media, where they simply post on their social media accounts in efforts to build up a following, and then they just market to that following their particular offer. Now, this can take months and oftentimes even years to build up a big enough following via social media. It's very tedious and time consuming. There is a much faster way, and that's if you pay for your website traffic. And all we mean by website traffic is people who are interested in your offer. And one way to pay for traffic is what's known as pay-per-click. There are various online advertising networks that allow you to actually bid on keywords and key phrases in like an auction type style. And those keywords or key phrases that you're bidding on is simply keywords that you would calculate that your ideal prospect would use if they were to search for the specific resolution to their problem, and your product happens to be that resolution. You see what I mean? So you're bidding on a bunch of keywords and key terms that the average person would use to find your type of product. I hope you got that, because that's a major way. Pay per click. There's also paying per views, where you're basically just paying for a set amount of thousands of views. So it could be so many dollars per thousands of views. You could pay for it that way. But you got to understand, in that method, you're not paying for an interested person that clicks on you. You're merely paying for a view. So that doesn't necessarily mean they clicked on your link and actually checked out your offer. So do know that. There's also something that's known as solo ads, where you will simply purchase an advertising slot from a solo ad vendor, and then all they would do is send your email ad out to their whole list, whether their list has 50,000 people or 300,000 people or more. Oftentimes you'll find that those solo ad vendors, which is what we call the ones who sell the solo ads, you'll often find that they'll sell per so many clicks. For example, they might say it's $85 for 100 clicks, or $200 for, say, 250 clicks, or something like that is what you'll normally find that the solo ad vendors do. Now, there's also other ways, such as influencer marketing, where you can actually buy shout outs from other social media influencers. That's social media experts who have already built up their following and who are willing to offer an advertising spot. And all that is you pay them a fixed agreed amount, and then they'll simply send out a blast message to their whole entire following to check out your particular offer, whether that offer is an affiliate product or a product that you yourself have created. But since we're talking about affiliate offers, we know it's not your own product. Besides, why would you take the hassle of trying to test and see if an original product that hasn't already been tested is working and making sales or not, when you could just use an affiliate offer and advertise that first? And if you start noticing you get a lot of sales on that affiliate offer, then you could come down the line and create your own offer that's sort of based around the same niche. You understand what I'm saying by that? These are just some of the ways you can go about promoting an affiliate offer. Of course, there's also having your own blog, or just writing articles and having it published on other sites that have a bunch of articles on them, like Medium, for example, Go Articles, those type of sites. Even sites like Quora, where you're simply answering questions. You could be seen as an authority, a person who has the knowledge to answer the questions. And once people see that you have this type of knowledge, they'll start visiting your links through that because they figure, well, he obviously knows about this thing, so let me go check out his other stuff. That's how that works. These are just some of the many, many ways of advertising your affiliate product. And these ways, as well as tons and tons more, are fully discussed in detail in the trainings that are found at easy.wcrpro.life. See, this is a whole training vault at your disposal, just waiting for you. You'll find several training packages, and depending on the the package that you get, it determines even how amount of money that you can make per transaction, because it has an affiliate program. These video trainings at easy.wcrpro.life has an affiliate program that allows you to earn instantly paid commissions anywhere from $25 all the way to $2,000 per transaction. And believe me when I tell you, we're all making big commissions here with this particular company at easy.wcrpro.life. So go ahead on over, check it out, just join, pick the highest product package that you can, that you're comfortable with, and start making some of these easy commissions. I mean, it's becoming easier and easier nowadays to make money using the internet. And what we have at easy.wcrpro.life is just one more way waiting for you. I actually think it's one of the better ways. You're not going to be doing much. You don't even have to make any products. You don't have to do any trainings yourself. You're simply referring an awesome training that has already been proven to sell very, very well over the past several years. This is not a new concept. This is not a new idea. This has been fully tested, and it's only waiting for you to join in now. Once again, William C. Rogers, I thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hope you got something out of it, and would love to see you on the inside so I can give you some of my more traffic bonuses so you can get this intense, detailed training. And just to be honest with you, I want you to feel what it's like to start earning these instant commissions. You'll be amazed once you earn those first few commissions. Then you're going to see what's possible. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.